I'm Kimberly Medley. I'm a band student. I like to do marching band, and if we were in school this year, it wouldn't have happened because the levy money wouldn't be able to cover the cost of the like extra instructors. So I know that I would always hear my neighbors talking about how awesome the band sounded when we were marching around the junior parking lot, practicing our show over and over and over again. And people enjoy that. And if they can't make it to the Friday night football games, they can hear us. They can definitely hear us at halftime. I think like within the like students and like the members of the band, it helps build like simultaneously like a sense of leadership, like if you're a section leader, but it also teaches you the importance of working together as a team, because there are like tangible results when everyone is working together and everyone's putting in their best effort. You see that out on the field, and that translates to everyday life. It teaches you the importance of teamwork. So I just encourage everyone to get out there and vote.